Hi, do you want to know how to make your text stand out in HTML? Today, I will show you how you can bold, italize, and underline your text in HTML. So, there are two ways to bold your text in HTML. The first one is using the bold, the B tag, and the second one is using the strong tag. Okay, so I'm going to show you the two of them. So if I go back to code, you can see that this bold text and the strong text are just normal text. They don't have any tag attached to them. But the bold text, if I wrap it around the B tag, if I wrap it around the B tag, okay, if I put the bold text inside the B tag, it will become bold. All right, it will become bold. And then the strong tag, if I also wrap it around the strong text, if I wrap it around the strong tag, we would also have a bold text. So if I run the code now, you can see, all right, the bold text, we have two bold tests. One is inside a B tag, and the other strong text, we also have two strong tests. One of them is inside the strong tag. So what's the difference between the bold tag, the B tag, and the strong tag? The difference is that the strong tag is semantic, while the B tag is not. So the strong tag tells Google, search engine, and screen readers that the text in any strong tag is very, very important. So now let's talk about the italics. Okay, how do we make our text italic? Okay, so now I'm going to show you two ways to do that. The first way is to use the I tag. All right, the first way is to use the I tag, and I will say I tag. Okay, I will use I'll say I italicized text. All right, then the second way is to use, I think I will put a break here. Remember the break that we taught last time. I will put a break here. So we use the I tag to italize. We also use the EM to also italize. So I will say italicized text, and in the EM I will call it emphasized text. Emphasized. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? The difference boils down to the semantic element we are talking about. I tag is not semantic, while the EM is semantic. So the EM tells Google and search engine that this text is very, very different. It gives more information to the browser. So if you want to know more about semantic elements, drop your name and your phone number on the comment section. Okay, so if I run this code now, you're going to see now that, you see, we have the italicized text and we have the emphasized text. Look at that, they are all italicized. So let's talk about the underline. So if you want to underline your text, how do you do it? It's very simple. You will use the U tag, okay? And then any text you put in the U tag would be underlined. So I will just say underlined text. Okay, and if I run it, you're going to see that the text is underlined. Okay, so the task I want you to do is this. I want you to do the same. I want you to create a paragraph with text, underline some of the text, make some of the text bold, use the strong, use the B tag, use the EM, use the I tag. Okay, that is your task for today. Okay, so this is our day 5 of 365 days of web development challenge. Save, share, like this video. For day 6 class, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel.